So let's try to write a simple HTML. So in this tutorial we are learning CSS, how to code CSS. So the HTML, we have the body and the head. Under the head you have a style tag where you code your CSS code, and once you have a tag named as style, the system will recognize the tag as whatever is in the tag as an HTML, as an CSS file. So, and the style tag is under the head tag. Then you have the body also tag, where you type all the necessary HTML tag and codes. So HTML is used for text formatting, for you to format your page on the web page, on the internet. So I'm trying to put down the structure of HTML. So now that we're in HTML, what do we do? Let's start with CSS code. So like the body now, we have the body. I want to put this background at the body. I don't want it to be ordinary white background. The background color to be what? To be either blue. Let me run it. What will happen? You can see blue. If it is red, you can see red. If it is light blue, you can see light blue. So let's leave it at light blue. So let me end the body with this closing parenthesis. Then our header one, I want to introduce a style under the header color to be white, can be green, or let's make it green. So whenever we use the tag and it should align at the center, the text should be placed at the centers of the page, center of the page. So I can close the alignment. Then let me open the paragraph. Close the paragraph. Under the paragraph, I put P for paragraph. P tag represent paragraph. What do I want there? The fonts I intend to place the font family. Let it be this font, Vedana, and the font size in pixel. Font size column should be 18 pixel, px. So now I have entered all the style to be used in the body of the web page. So if I run it, it will not show. But whenever I apply the tag, like for the header H1, which I've defined to be what color? To the green color. So let's say tutorial on CSS. Then I have to close this tag. So after closing the tag, what next? I need a paragraph to indicate the beginning of a text. Then I close this paragraph also. I can have any text in here. Okay, let me type I love reading, and also going to school. I love also going out. So let's stop on here. Let's run it and see what will happen. This is the code. This is what is going to happen. Because I make the background to be light blue, it's already light blue. The header to be green, it's already green. And the fonts I apply there, also apply there. If I make it area black, let's run it to see what will happen. Area black, semicolon. You see the font has changed. So it has changed. So that's a simple how to write CSS codes apply to your web page for beginners. So stay tuned for the next lecture.